Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. And we are very proud to be bringing to market this absolutely stunning piece of performance equipment. Here we have the BMW M4 BiTurbo Competition, finished in the San Marino blue metallic and complemented perfectly with a full black leather upholstery. Now this vehicle has covered just 8,592 miles and comes to us with a full BMW service history and also £4,620 worth of factory fitted optional extras, which I would like to take you through on this video. So starting off with what we can see very clearly is the BMW individual San Marino metallic paintwork, which is a £950 factory option. We also have on this vehicle a head-up display at £825, a Harman Kardon loudspeaker system at £675, comfort access, which is full keyless operation, so the key can quite literally just stay in your pocket. You're able to touch the handles to lock and unlock, along with a push start button inside the vehicle, which is a £495 option. We have £395 worth of carbon fibre on the vehicle, a reversing camera at £330, and of course that's to add to the front and rear sensors already on the vehicle. Privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, so that's properly frosted glass at £320. We have BMW M seat belts at a £260 factory option. Speed limit display, whereby a camera, which is located just behind that rear view mirror, is able to pick up the speed signs as you drive past them and display them on the dashboard, which is a £220 factory option. And last but not least, we have something called high beam assist at £150 factory option, where the vehicle is able to detect once cars are out of the way in front of you and automatically activate your high beam on dark roads. Now that list of factory fitted optional extras is on top of the standard equipment levels that were on this vehicle. Putting the two together gives us one incredible piece of stock. And I'm sure you'll agree, the way this looks, with its service history, its condition, and with all that equipment, is an absolutely fantastic M4 for us to be able to offer you. Now, as we have a little look inside the vehicle, we're going to be able to identify some of those optional extras, plus some of the other equipment as well. So, we can see on the side of the driver's seat there, a 2-position memory package, so fully electric seating with 2 positions to save to. We also have the carbon fibre trim across the dashboard and down the centre console. Fully automatic headlights, rain sensitive wipers and auto dimming with electric folding mirrors. A multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Dual zone climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger. And of course on that display up in the centre there, all of the navigation, multimedia, Bluetooth and full vehicle functions can all be found on there. Now the quality and condition of the vehicle is absolutely stunning. Glad we've got a day of wonderful weather where we can show this colour off in its absolute glory. So yes, we are very proud to be bringing this one to market. Thank you very much for your inquiry. If there's any information that we have missed, please do let us know and we'll happily provide you with another personal video or get those details to you over the telephone. But we will be in touch very shortly with the calculations. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you find it informative and we'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.